rubber. Yeah, we collect like take from rubber tree to make the tire. But here we grow the lacquer tree to collect pen. Yeah, that pen you cover all the wood body. You can keep it 300 years, 400 years, no problem. Because that is technology in Vietnam long time ago with the Chinese people or Japanese. But in China and Japan, they don't do it anymore. Only Vietnam now we have for the sample to do that one. And the furniture, everything we cover by this one. You know why? Because the termite, you know termite, the small insect. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, okay. Yeah, but when they hear the smell of lacquer pen, they will go away because they don't like that smell. But that smell very nice smell for us. Okay. So my family take your time about half an hour, 40 minutes here. You follow this girl, we show you around, and we have the restaurant inside. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. I'm a local guide here. Very nice to meet you. Thank you for your visit, Handicap and Handicraft factories. Our business 1976. Our factory belongs to the Department of Disabilities and Handicap Peoples. We sell the job for a lot of handicapped peoples and who affected from the Agent Orange. Step by step is all by hand, no machine. We make traditional art of Vietnam is lacquer products, same with plastic and chemical paintings. Everything here is in natural materials. And now follow me to have a look what handicap works on. This is the best seller picture here. This is traditional dress of Vietnam. Name is áo dài. Inlaid with duck essel, seashell, and hand painting together. They paint the red color here because the red color is a national color in Vietnam. Lucky and happiness color. The picture is made of rosewood. The most strong wood in Vietnam can be with different weather. Especially we cover about 24 layers of lacquer on the top, so it is clear custom for all of the country, example Australia or New Zealand. We only use hand painting, don't use any machines for scanning or printing. So after finish, everything is different. Cannot look for something exactly the same. And now follow me to our stand, please. I would like to show you inlay with the XL. We only use them because them is more stronger and thicker than the chicken XL. The white is natural color and the brown is burning color. First we break the XL one by one into break and then stick on the wood by the lacquer. The lacquer is the oil from the lacquer trees with some cashew oil together. Piece by piece, body different size and different color, stick on the wood by the lacquer. After lay is very rough, so you can have a just again this is very rough.
It's all by made with ice.
Yes, all by hand and break the essence stick on.
No.
It's very rough, right? So we cover again many layers of lacquer on the top and then polishing with the water by western and sandpaper. And now follow me to our step here. This is the seashell. It's hard you can tie. I will like to show you which is the real one. If you put a light, you can see the rainbow color here. This is the real one. If it's only white, it's plastic. The first we scan and design by hand on the model pearl like this. And then cutting with the cutting handsaw. The cutting handsaw is made of steel, so very sharp and strong. After getting it, we stick it together like this. And then inlay on the wood by the lacquer. After that is very rough. So we cover again many layers of lacquer on the top and then polishing with the water. How are they polishing? Follow me this way, please. Please come over here, please. Before polishing, we have to cover about many layers of lacquer on the top. We have 3 types of polishing. The first time is by Western. The second time and the last time is by sandpaper. 3 types of polishing take about 1.5 weeks. After polishing, we try it in the sunlight for a few days and then shining by hand to finish the product. After that, it's very smooth. So you can have a touch again to see it's very smooth. This for the tiger. I would like to tell you that the lacquer product is never cheap. It's cheap or costly depends on the time, the materials, and the way you make. Moreover, the buyer has to know the purpose style by form. Industrial lacquerware can get item in 1 day, but traditional handmade lacquerware can get item for a few days, few months, or a year. You can see in Vietnam market, OT tunnel, because they're also selling the lacquer product, but they're no factories. The price is cheap there for sure because they're from industrial lacquerware and different parties. And now follow me to the last step here, please follow me this one. We only use cold cream, lemon juice, hot water, and turtle wax. We stick it together and then put it on the vision. And then shining by night until it's excited to finish the product. Everything here we don't sell outside and don't sell online. We just display and sell it here for who come and understand the value of traditional handmade lacquerware. Would you like to buy for souvenir? If you buy here, 60% of money we support for the handicapped people and who affected from the Asian origin. You can go to the showroom, but please don't take photos because all designs are unique. Thank you for listening and welcome to the showroom right here.